Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna change our front brake pads on this Kia Sportage right here. The customer state that they just want the pads to change, so that's what we're gonna do. So we start by putting the jack stand, flip it upside down, putting the jack right here. Alright, so now it's time to take the wheel off. 21 millimeter. So now we have 14 millimeter bolts. We're gonna remove both of them right here, one at the top, one at the bottom, and also we're gonna squeeze in the piston for the brake. So what you want to do is put this like right here between the rotor, but you want to put it right here. And just pull towards you a little bit, and that should take care of that. Just enough to get it off the rotors. So remove your 14 millimeter. Take this off. You can let it sit down here so it don't hang on the hose. So that's good. And take this out. Into your pry bar. So you want to put in your brake shim, make sure they work good, and also make sure they move freely. If not, you want to take it out and add grease to it. The grease in this one is in these are good, so that's why I'm not even bothered with that. The pads with the rear indicator go towards the back. So that's good. Time to squeeze in the piston some more. So we use this 6-inch C-clamp to bring the rotor, bring the piston in as much as possible. And you can see I use the old pads to push on it. The rotor is good. It's not shaking, so that's why I didn't bother to change it. So guys, you just want to put these in like that and hold the clamp on it and just sit the brake caliper down on it. You also want to make sure your brake hose is not twisted or it's not bent or crinked in any shape or form. Get your nuts or get your bolts, tighten them up. And you want to double check your work, make sure that's tight, and now it's time to put on the tire. So you can see the wear indicator on the brake rotor right here. It's still good and it's not shaking, so there's no need to change the rotor. So after you finish your brake job, you double check, you want to go ahead, the wheel is on, so now we're going to remove our jack stand from underneath the car, take out our jack, we're going to pack up the tools, and also like, comment, share, and subscribe. So the most important thing to do after you do your brakes is pump it up. Until you feel the pedal get hard. Once it get hard, you start it and you're good to go. So guys, once you do that, you just need to just lightly tap the brakes a few just to make sure the pads work. Drive the car, make sure there ain't no noise, no brake noise or none of that. So everything sounds good. It's gonna give a little rough sound until the pads wearing with the rotors. But that's it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.